Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs of the UV lamp. It is easier to have someone to help you. Today it's definitely going to help us. So the first step, we're going to have to open this door. After that, we pull this toward us and lift it and then push it back in so that it locks and won't. First step, we need to remove this bushing, the aluminum bushing over here with the Allen wrench number 3. It's a very fragile thing, so just handle with care. Get all this thing. We're gonna take out the plastic. So in this case, we're not gonna go through this hole. Normally you put it through the hole because we have this, the gallium bulb has like this little nipple. So that's not gonna go through that bushing. So we're gonna put it through the top very carefully. You need to pass first. On his side, he has the bushing. From the top, you need to put the one with more room first, because on the other side you have this bushing. If you put it there first, you won't have room to wiggle a little bit and fish this in. Okay, next step is putting the bushing back. You might need to lift it a little bit, get it center in. Now that you have it there, put the screws back. Next step will be to put this wire connected to this terminal. So for that, we're gonna need a number 5 Allen wrench. So you need to fish this through this insulated cap and then loosen it. Okay. You have to do the same on the other side. Stephen's doing it. And then once you put it on the screw, you need to make sure that this cap is on. Once we finish, we can close this. So you pull it back to you, drop it, and then push it back, and now you can close the door. Now we're going to change the mercury bulb. In this case, we have gallium and mercury. Normally, gallium goes first because it cures from the inside out. If it's your case, some machines use only mercury. So we're going to show you how to change the mercury in this time. Same first step, open the door, then pull this towards you, open it, and then push it to lock it. Okay, with the Allen wrench number 3, we're going to remove the screws to get this bushing off. So it really doesn't matter which way you're fitting it. So we fit the cable very carefully. Have someone on the other side be ready to grab it, and he's gonna fish it through the hole over there, and then I'm gonna put the bushing back on. Once we put the bushing, we're gonna put the cable to the terminal, so we're gonna fit it through the insulation block, and then with the Allen wrench number 5, we'll loosen the screw. And then we put back the block. That's it. We just close this cover by pulling it towards us, closing it, and then push it back, and then close the door.